Hello friends, welcome to my study channel Mathelearning. Today we will learn MCQs of chapter number 2 of class 7. First question is, which of the following fraction has numerator 5? So first of all, we know that the upper part of fraction is called numerator, and here as we can see that here in B option the numerator is 5. So correct answer is B. Sometimes you will get confused that the numerator is 5 here, but it is wrong. If we write improper fraction of this mixed fraction, then it will be 1 7s are 7, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 and 12 upon 7. So your numerator is not 5. So correct answer is B, 5 upon 7. Question number 2. Which of the following fraction has denominator 8? So first of all we observe denominator part and here consider this as 5. Now observe all these denominators and here we can see that the denominator is 8 in D. So answer is 3 upon 8. Now question number 3. What fraction does the shaded portion in the adjoining figure represents? And first we observe this figure. It is like here total parts are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total parts are 5. Out of these 5 parts, 2 parts are shaded. So it is 2 upon 5 and here it is C. So correct answer is C, 2 upon 5. Question number 4. Which one of the following is proper fraction? And we know that about proper fraction. In proper fraction, numerator is always smaller than denominator. So here we have in C option, numerator is smaller than denominator. In other options, numerator is greater than denominator. So correct answer is C. Question number 5. Which one of the following is improper fraction? 2 upon 3, 5 upon 7, 7 upon 4, 1 upon 2. Now, what is improper fraction? Here, numerator is greater than denominator. Now, by observing these all options, we can say that in 7 upon 4, 7 is greater than this denominator 4. So answer is C, 7 upon 4. Question number 6. What is the value of 2 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7? Now we check the options. Now we have the denominator same in both. So directly we do the addition of numerator part. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So the answer is 5 upon 7 and it is B. Question number 7 is, what is the value of 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7? Here denominators are different. So we need to take LCM of this. And 5 sevens are 35. So LCM is 35. Now we do this cross multiplication. 7 threes are 21 plus 5 twos are 10. And answer is 35 is denominator and 21 plus 10 is equal to 31. And here it is C, 31 upon 35. Question number 8. What is the value of 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 7 upon 3? So here denominators are equal. So we need to add numerators only. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. And it is 10 upon 3. And it is A, 10 upon 3. Question number 9. What is the value of 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 7 upon 3? The question is repeated here, so we skip it. Question number 10 is, what is the value of 5 upon 8 minus 3 upon 8? And here the denominators are same, so we directly do subtraction of numerators. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 and denominator is 8. So answer is 2 upon 8. Question number 1. What is the value of 4 upon 5 minus 2 upon 3? Here denominators are different, so we need to take LCM of it. So here 5 3s are 15 and we do cross multiplication, and 4 3s are 12 minus 2 5s are 10. Here we have done 4 3s are 12 and 5 2s are 10. And 12 minus 10 is equal to 2 and 15 as it is. So 2 upon 15 is answer. Question number 2 is, which of the following drawing shows 2 multiplied by 1 upon 5? And first of all we observe the figure of 1 upon 5, and which figure represents 1 upon 5? Total parts are 5 and shaded part is 1. So we can say that in D this figure shows 1 upon 5. One part is shaded and total parts are 5. This figure should be 2 times. So here in D option this figure is 2 times. So the correct answer is D. Now question number 3. Which of the following drawing shows 3 multiplied by 3 upon 4 is equal to 2 integer 1 upon 4? And here first of all we observe these figures, and in which figure 3 upon 4 is given, 4 parts and 3 parts are shaded here out of these 4 parts. So here it is given and it should be 3 times. So here this figure is 3 times and is equal to 2 integer 1 upon 4. That means 2 figures are completely shaded because here 2 is integer and then fraction part is 1 upon 4. That means total parts should be 4. Out of these 4 parts, 1 part should be shaded. So this figure is of 1 upon 4 and these 2 figures are there. So now the answer is B. Question number 4. The value of 1/2 of 24 is. So here we find 1/2 of number 24. So how to find it? So here you have to do multiplication of both. 1/2 multiplied by 24. 12 2s are 24 and here 12 1s are 12. So answer is 12 and here it is given in option A. Question number 5. The product of 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 5 gives product means multiplication. We do multiplication of both, and 3 upon 4 multiply by 1 upon 5. Here you have to do multiplication of numerator with numerator. So 3 ones are 3, and denominator with denominator. 4 fives are 20. So answer is 3 upon 20. Now question number 6. Which of the following product gives the value 78 upon 5? For that you have to solve each option. So first we solve this option. Here it is in mixed fraction form. We have to convert into improper. So 5 fives are 25. 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. So it is 26 upon 5. And we write this 3 multiplication sign as it is. Now we have to do multiplication of this 3 and 26. 6 3s are 18. 8 here 1 carry. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7 upon 5. So it is 78 upon 5. So by solving this A option, we get this same answer. So answer is A. Now question number 7. The product of 2 upon 5 multiplied by 5 integer 1 upon 4 gives. So first of all, we have to do multiplication of this both. Here we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction form. We write 2 upon 5 and multiplication sign as it is. 5 fours are 20, 20 plus 1, 21. So it is 21 upon 4. You have to do multiplication of both this. Then you have to add this numerator to it. So 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. And write this denominator as it is. Now we do multiplication of 21 and 2. So 21 2s are 42 and 5 4s are 20. It is 42 upon 20. Now you can simplify it, right? You can cancel 2 from each, and here you can write 21 2s are 42 and 2 10s are 20. So now the answer is 21 upon 10. And here we find this answer in the options, and it is given in B option, 21 upon 10. This way you can do, or directly you can cut like this. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Then you can directly find the answer this way also, right? Now we solve question number 8. And question number 8 is the reciprocal of 1 integer 2 upon 3 is. So first of all, here we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction form, and for that we multiply this two number. 1 3s are 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 upon 3. Now you have to find reciprocal of it, that means inverse of it. So we write this denominator as numerator and this numerator as denominator. So answer is 3 upon 5, and it is given in option D. Question number 9 is the value of 3 upon 4 of 12 is. And here we have to do multiplication of both. Three upon 4 and 12, and 4 1s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. So answer is 9, and it is given in option C. Now question number 10. The value of 3 integer 1/2 of 8 upon 3 is? First of all, we convert into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So it is 7 upon 2 multiplied by 8 upon 3. And we can cut like this. 7 4s are 28 upon 3. We have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. And answer is 28 upon 3. It is given in option B. The value of 4 integer 1 upon 3 of 3 is, first of all you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper, and 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13, 13 upon 3 of 3. So we have to multiply it with 3. 3 3 cancel and answer is 13, and it is given in option B. Question number 12. Which of the following is the list form of 18 upon 36? So first of all, we simplify this fraction. So we will get list form of it. And how to do simplification? So we can write 18 as 18 ones are 18 and 36 as 18 twos are 36. Now we can cancel this 18, and what is remaining? It is 1/2. So the list form of 18 upon 36 is 1/2, and it is given in option C. Question number 13. What is the sum of 5.300 and 3.250? And here we can do the addition of decimal numbers like this. You have to put this decimal below this first decimal. In this way you have to write the numbers first, otherwise you will get wrong answer. And here we do the addition of the same, and answer is 8.550, and it is given in option A. Question number 14. What is the value of 29.35 minus 4.56? So first of all, as I have told you, we have to write this decimal point aligned, and now we do subtraction of this. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Point as it is. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. And 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. So answer is 24.79. And it is given in option D. Question number 15. Which one of the following is greater? 5.0, 0.5, 0.005, 0.05. So as we know that if you have given the number before decimal point is greater, then you can say that this particular number is greater. So here check the digit which is given before decimal point. So here it is 5, here it is 0, 0, 0. And 5 is greater than this 0, right? So we can say that 5.0 is greater number. Question number 1 is, which one of the following is smaller? Here you have to find which is the smaller number, and for that we compare the digit which is given before decimal point, and here it is 2, here it is also 2, here it is 0, and here it is 23. So by comparing this digit or number, we can say that 0 is smaller in comparison of other numbers. So the smaller number is 0.2301. Now question number 2 is 7 rupees 7 paisa can be written in rupees as rupees 7.07, rupees 7.70, rupees 0.707, rupees 770. So the correct answer is A. Why? Because we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa, or you can write as 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100 rupees, and you can write in decimal 0.01. So whenever you represent this paisa in decimal form, then you have to write 0.0, then whatever you have paisa. Here it is 7 paisa, right? So here we have to write 0.07, and here you have given 7 rupees, so we will write 7, then we add paisa to this and we get 7.07. So answer is A, 7.07. Question number 3. 5 centimeter in kilometer can be written as. Here we have the unit centimeter and we have to do conversion into kilometer. So first of all, we should know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meters. And now we convert this meters into kilometers, and for that we have to divide it by 1000, because we know that 1 meter is equal to 1000 kilometers, and here we have done the conversion as 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meters. Then after we have multiplied this 2. And how can we write for 5 centimeter? So in place of this 1 we will consider 5. So here we will consider 5, and we write 5 zeros after it, and for that we have to put decimal point after 5 digits from right hand side, right? And first we write 5 here, then we write more zeros to make it 5 digit number, and after 5 digits from right hand side we have to put decimal point here, and now the answer is 0.00005, and it is given in option B. So correct answer is B. Once again I am telling you, whenever you want to convert this centimeter into kilometers, then first of all we have used 2 zeros for conversion into meters, and then we have used 3 zeros for the conversion into kilometers. Then after you have to count these zeros, and then after you have to put decimal point. Next question is, the place value of 2 in 21.38 is. Now the position of 2 in this number is tens, right? As we can refer the place value of each digit. Here it is ones, here it is tens, it is called tenths, it is called hundredths. So we can say that 2 is in tens position. So we can write place value of 2 as 2 tenths. Here you have to write answer as 2 tenths. So consider this answer 2 tenths. Question number 5. Which one of the following represent the expansion? First, 2 multiplied by 10 is given. So we write as 20 plus 0 multiplied by 1. So it is 0. Whenever 0 is multiplied with any number, then you will get 0 as answer. Then after 0 multiplied by 1 upon 10. So again 0 is multiplied here. So answer is 0. Then 3 multiplied by 1 upon 100 is equal to 3 upon 100, right? So how to write in decimal point? It is 0.03, right? So we have to write here 0.03, and the addition of this number is 20.03. So here the answer is A, 20.03. Question number 6. The value of 2.71 multiplied by 5 is, and here first of all we do multiplication of these numbers without decimal point. 271 multiplied by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 5 here, 3 carry, 5 twos are 10, 10 plus 3, 13. Now we consider this decimal point, and here it is after 2 digits from right hand side. So we put this decimal point after 2 digits from right hand side. So here it is 13.55, and correct option is C. Question number 7. The product of 153.7 and 10 is. So first of all we remove this decimal point from this number. We have to write 10 below it. Then after we multiply it with 10 because we have to find product here. Now 10 cancel, and answer is 1537, and here it is given in the option D. Question number 8. The value of 43.07 multiplied by 100 is. So here we have to do multiplication of this, and for that we remove this decimal point from this number. That's why we have to divide it by 100, multiply by 100. 100 cancel, and answer is 4307. Question number 9. The value of 0.03 multiplied by 1000 is. And here first of all we remove decimal point, and for that we have to divide by 100, multiply by 1000. Now 2 zeros cut, and 3 multiply by 10, it is 30. So correct answer is D, 30. Question number 10. The value of 1.3 multiplied by 3.1 is. First we do multiplication of this directly without decimal point, and we multiply here. 1 3s are 3 and 1 1s are 1. Then 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. And answer is 403. But it is the answer of this multiplication only. Now we have to put decimal point. Here decimal point is given after one digit, and here it is given after also one digit. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So we have to put decimal point after two digits from right hand side, and 1 and 2. We put decimal point here, and answer is 4.03, and it is given in option C. Question number 11. The value of 0.80 divided by 5 is. First we remove this decimal point and we write directly 80. 80 divided by 5. We know that 16 5s are 18. Here we get 16. Now we put this decimal point after these two digits from right hand side, and 1 and 2, and we put decimal point here. So answer is 0.16, and it is given in option B. Question number 12. The value of 52.5 divided by 10 is. And first of all, we write this number without decimal point. So we have to divide by 10. Then after, we divide it by 10. Here we have to convert into multiplication. This division sign will be converted into decimal sign, and for that we have to take reciprocal of 10, and reciprocal of 10 is 1 upon 10. Now we do multiplication of numerator. 525 ones are 525, and 10 tens are 100. So 525 upon 100, and for that we have to write in decimal point 5.25, and correct answer is given in option A. Now the same way we will solve this 0.78. So we write as 78 upon 100, and we convert into multiplication sign, and then we take reciprocal of 100, and it is 1 upon 100. Now 78 upon 1, and after 4 zeros are there, 2 zeros of this and 2 zeros of this. Now how to put decimal point? For that we write 78 first. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 zeros are given, no? So we count 4 digits from right hand side. 1, 2. Then we write 2 more zeros to make it 4 digit. Right? Now we have to put decimal point, and then we write 0. So answer is 0.0078, and here it is given in option B. Question number 14. 26.3. First we remove decimal point, then we take reciprocal of 1000, and it becomes 263 divided by, we multiply this 10 and 1000, and here we get 10,000. Now we put decimal point after 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, and 4th digit we write 0, and now the answer is 0.0263, and here it is given in option A. Question number 15. The value of 7.75 divided by 0.25 is. So first we remove decimal point and we write 100 below. Then we convert second number in reciprocal form. It is 25 upon 100. So we have taken 100 upon 25. Now 100 cancel. And we divide this number by 25. So 25, 3s are 75. 7 minus 5, 2, 25 again. So here we get answer 31. And it is given in option A.